Hi nail besties, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be going over everything you need to know about our Stephanee Rechargeable Electric Nail Drill. It comes with a control box, charger, nail drill handpiece holder, and nail drill bits. The Stephanee Rechargeable Electric Nail Drill is lightweight and portable and can operate up to 6 hours after a full charge at either 110V or 220V. The control box has a LED display, a variable speed dial, and forward and reverse buttons. This drill comes with 5 nail drill bits and sanding bands to achieve any manicure you want. It's powerful for creating nail sets as well as the removal of the cuticle and calluses, carving, engraving, routing, grinding, sharpening, sanding, cutting, polishing, and drilling. To exchange the drill bit, simply twist the handle, exchange the drill bit, and turn the handle back to lock in place. The flame-shaped bit is perfect for removing non-living tissues and preparing the cuticle area. To prep the natural nail, use a sanding band and a mandrel. With no pressure and the lowest speed, let the electric drill do the work for you. The ceramic smooth top safety bit is great to perform cuticle work. It's also great for surface work as well. The cone-shaped bit is the perfect size and shape to clean underneath the nail. The needle drill bit is also great for the cuticle area and for polishing the edges of the nail. Make sure to throw away your used sanding bands since these are not reusable. After each use, soak drill bits in acetone for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow them to fully air dry before storing them away. The Makartt Stephanee Nail Drill was built with innovation and simplistic use in mind, so it's perfect for technicians and customers of any skill level. Thanks for watching!